Good morning, Maryland.
Merry Christmas Eve, everyone. Meteorologist Stevie Daniels here, starting off with your full forecast. Here's a look at that wintry precip. A lot of this moisture still focused to the west of the Baltimore metro this morning. Some of this snow is already starting to slide into western Maryland. So Garrett County already getting in on some of that wintry weather right now, and even mostly to the north of the state line. So Hanover, you guys aren't seeing some of this moisture just yet, but Chambersburg starting to see some of that light snow develop, and we'll be dealing with this moisture sliding in as we head into the next couple of hours. So as we approach sunrise, that's when a lot of this activity will slide through from northwest to southeast. And our temperatures about 5 to 6 feet above the surface are sitting in the 20s, so below freezing. So this is really going to support a lot of that snow to fall, and it could create a dusting of snow on grassy surfaces, and we could also be dealing with that freezing rain setup. Road temperatures are also sitting below freezing, so any freezing rain that falls from the sky and hits the surface, it's going to immediately freeze on contact. That's how we get freezing rain. And then you have that glaze of ice that sets up shop. So we'll be seeing this right around sunrise this morning, closer to the 7 to even 8 o'clock hour, as temperature profiles will be sitting below freezing during that time, a little bit above freezing higher up in the atmosphere. That's how you get that freezing rain. But then we start to warm things up during the later parts of the morning, so that will transition mostly over to plain cold rain during the right around 11 to even closer to lunchtime. And then we dry things out during the afternoon, still dealing with that extra cloud cover throughout the day. And then into your Christmas Day, we are looking rain-free and very tranquil. But we do have those winter weather advisories still in place for spots highlighted in purple. This is because we could be dealing with that light glaze of ice and even that dusting of snow, creating some problems for any holiday travelers. So if you are traveling this morning, use extra caution, drive slowly, because any roads that are elevated or left untreated will likely be a little bit icy, and this is really going to be problematic across our northwesternmost suburbs. So I would hold off on traveling this morning if you can. This afternoon and evening, our temperatures are going to rise back into the mid 40s, so any of that snow or ice will quickly melt. Again, temperatures will be rising into the mid 40s as we approach the mid to late parts of the afternoon, and will likely drop off below freezing once again tonight. That's going to be the trend throughout the next couple of mornings, and afternoon highs over the next couple of days rising into the 40s. 45 degrees on your Friday. Heading into the weekend, we warm things up even more. Upper 40s on Saturday, dealing with a few spotty rain showers, windy with more widespread rain on tap for Sunday before we dry out early next week.